on this patient, we have done a lot of crowns. This is an incredible smile transformation. The patient is going to see it for the first time. It's a reveal, and the teeth are only in with temporary cement. We have not put them in permanently because we never do that until we are sure the patient is satisfied. In this particular patient, we went ahead and whitened the teeth with crowns, lengthened them, and opened up his bite. So we're going to see his reaction. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm excited.
How long have you been waiting for this?
I'm 69 years old. So.
You're just a spring chicken.
Yeah.
It has totally transformed you. I am very excited.
They feel wonderful. They're
Okay.
smooth and they're,
But you haven't seen them.
no, but they feel like they're natural. That's,
Okay, are you ready?
mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead and smile. All right, here we go. Turn that mirror over.
Holy crap. That's amazing. I really believe that you're an artist. I think that this is really,
They're gorgeous, huh?
yes, compared to that.
They're beautiful.
Uh-huh.
The right color?
Yes. They're actually, I don't know. I think this is the perfect whiteness.
Yeah, they're perfect. The color,
And-
everything. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get these probably done because we didn't go far and we didn't go back that far because we discussed it.
Mm-hmm.
But we did your whole lower and then just the upper front teeth.
Yeah.
But they're gorgeous. So we can go ahead and place them in permanently.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.